So far we've looked at state and county geography. Let's see if we can do something a little bit more local. I've put down addresses of all the Alamo colleges in San Antonio. And let's see if we can plot these on the map. I'll click somewhere within my data. On the Insert tab, I'll go to the Tours group. I'll click 3D Map and click Open 3D Maps. Excel found my address field. It tried to match it to the street field, and notice it's not plotted because I didn't put just a street in the address. I put the street, city, and state. I actually put the full address into one column of cells. So instead of street, I need full address, so I'll just select it. So I'm basically telling Excel where to look for the data. I'll click full address here, and notice the data is plotted. Category would be the name of the college. Actually, before I choose that, let's zoom in. And as you can see, I actually have my plot points already. I can click Map Labels, and things make a little bit more sense. We can zoom in a little bit more. But if we want to play around with a little bit more, we can go ahead and add our category, which is colleges. I'll click Add Field, and I'll choose College. Now it turned the data into a bar graph or a line graph, but we really don't want that. And since it really doesn't give us many options as far as plotting, we'll just modify these a bit. Let's go to Layer Options. And right now, height is 100%. I'm just going to grab the little bar and pull it all the way down. And I'll put height at 0%. Now it makes a little bit more sense to plot a location this way. I can also play around with the shapes. So go up here to the layer group and click shapes. I can change those bars to a triangle. And this looks a little bit more like a school. We can also try this shape. And note that we have a legend with the colors matching the school. We can also hover and see the school name and address. We can also play around with the thickness. This makes the bars thinner. This makes them thicker. And let's make them about 160%. They look more like a schoolhouse that way. If a user wanted to find the school, we could click Find Location. We can type in an address, or we could type in the name of the school. Click Find. And notice how we zoom right into Northeast Lakeview College. Let's zoom back out. I'm clicking the minus sign here at the bottom. Let's also see if we can add some labels to these plot points. I'm going to right click, and I'll click Add Annotation. For the title, I want to type Northeast Lakeview College. And we can put a description in here if we'd like. And note we could change the font or the color. I'm going to click OK and see what this looks like. And now this one has a label. And note how it points to the college. We can do the same with St. Philip's College. I'm going to right click, add annotation. The title would be an address title this time. We'll put the placement to the left this time, and I'll make the height a little lower. And click OK. And there's St. Philip's College. And we'll see what our final product looks like by clicking Play Tour. And it's sort of like looking at a slideshow. And there's our data. More to come on Power Maps.